Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome again to Mathematics and I. It is your favorite presenter, Jeff Nino, and today we have a question that we are going to be solving. The question says simplify 1 over 27 base 81 plus 3 raised to the power of 3 log 1 over 2 base 3 minus e raised to the power of 2 ln 3. Now, as a student, when you see a question like this, at first you get frightened because you don't know how you can go about it. Now, I will be taking my time to explain this question in a very simple way so that it will not be difficult for you to understand. Okay, let us take these maths one after the other. The first thing I have here is log 1 over 27 base 81. Now, 1 over 27 can also be written as 27 raised to the power of minus 1 according to the law of indices, negative power law. So, in place of 1 over 27, what are we going to write? 27 raised to the power of minus 1. So, let's begin. Okay. So, here becomes log 27 raised to the power of minus 1 to the base of 81. Alright? Plus, here, what I will do is this. 3 at the back, according to the law of logarithm, which says, if you have n log n, it becomes log n raised to the power of n. The number goes and becomes the power of the number. So if 3 comes here, it becomes 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. So here becomes step by step. Alright, here becomes 3 raised to the power of log. Okay, 1 over 2 now raised to the power of 3, this 3, to the base of 3. Okay, let's proceed. Now, minus, now, there's what we call common logarithm and natural logarithm. Now, common logarithm has the base of 10, but natural logarithm has the base of e. Okay, so for instance, if I have log 4, log 4 is a common log because why? Log 4 has the base of 10. Alright, but if I now say log 4 to the base of e, this is no more a natural log, which of course this can also be written as ln 4. Okay, so if I have something like this, alright, if I have something like this, ln 4, in log, it simply means log 4 to the base of e. Are you with me? This is ln 4 in natural log. In log form, it becomes log 4 to the base of e. Are you with me? Now, let us see what we can do. So it means, first of all, let us take 2 up, just the way we took 3 up. So here becomes minus e raised to the power of ln 3 raised to the power of 2. Alright. Now let's proceed. I have 27, I have 81. Now, I can make 27 and 81 have a common base, and that base is 3. So, if I should convert 27 to 3, it means 3 times 3 times 3. And in index form, it means 3 raised to the power of 3. Alright, so it means in place of 27, I will give 3 raised to the power of 3, and then 81. Simply means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which in index form means 3 raised to the power of 4. So if we want to write this now, it becomes, okay, it becomes log 3 raised to the power of minus 3. Now how did I get minus 3? Because of the negative sign that is here. Normally 27 means 3 raised to the power 3. But if I multiply by the former minus 1, which is here, 3 times minus 1 gives us minus 3. Alright, now, what do I have now? My 81 now we said is 3 raised to the power of 4. Let us proceed. Now, here becomes plus 3 raised to the power of log. Now, 1 over 2, all raised to the power of 3, simply means 1 times 1 times 1 over 2 times 2 times 2, because of power 3. And of course, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So here becomes log 1 over 8 to the base of 3. Alright, now minus Here, 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So here it becomes e raised to the power of 9. Good. Step by step. Now, from the law of logarithm, which is known as power law, if you have log n raised to the power a base n raised to the power b, now watch. The number in the base is carrying power. So this is what is going to happen. A and b goes to the back and becomes a over b. It becomes a fraction. So it means here becomes a over b log, what do I have now? N base n. So it means minus 3n4 goes to the back of log 3 base 2 and become a fraction. So here becomes minus 3 over 4 log 3 base 3, because now minus 3n over 4 is at the back, plus, now class, this is one thing you need to know. In log, if you have, there's a law which says, if you have a raised to the power of log n base a, the answer is n. When the base carrying the log and the base that the log is carrying is the same, log base a cancel a, and our answer becomes what? N. So if I have something like this class, 2 raised to the power of log 6 base 2, what is the answer? The answer is what? 6. Are you with me? This can only happen when the base and the base of the log are the same. Alright, now let's continue. If you take a look at this question very well, you will notice that the base here and the base of the log also are the same. So what will be here as the answer? Our answer becomes 1 over 8. Alright, now minus. Now I have ln 9. Watch. Ln 9, natural log. Now ln 9 can also be written as log 9 base e in form of log. Log 9 base e in form of log. So instead of writing ln 9, what am I going to put? Log 9 base e. So here becomes e raised to the power of log 9 to the base of e. Alright, we don't need to be in a hurry, step by step. Now let us proceed, class. Now, in logarithm, there's a law that says when the number and the base are the same, it is 1. So if I have something like this, log m base n, my answer is 1. Because why? The number and the base are the same. So if I have log 7 base 7, what is my answer? 1. Because the number and the base are the same. So now, without wasting time, let us continue. So it means log 3 base 3 is 1. So what do we have left here? Minus 3 all over 4 plus, are we there? 1 all over 8 minus, now again, the base here is e and the base of the log is also e, so they are the same. So what becomes the answer? 9 minus 9. So what are we going to do? Base 9 over 1, and we are going to look for the LCM of 4, 8, and 1. Alright. Now the LCM of 4, 8, and 1 will also give us 8. So now without wasting time, now some of you might be wondering, how did we get 8? It is very simple. Look at what I did. The LCM of 4, 8, and 1. Now what can go into 4, 8, and 1? 2. 2 can go into 4. Now 2 into 4 gives us 2, and 2 into 8 gives us 4. Now there is no, this is our 1, no need. Now 2 can also go. 2 into 2 gives us 1. 2 into 4 gives us 2. And here is still what? 1. Again, 2 can go. 2 here is 1. 2 into 2, 1. And here is 1. So now, 2 times 2 gives us 4. And 4 times 2 gives us what? 8. So this is how I got an LCM of what? Of 8. Now, without wasting time, let us see what we are going to do. Now, if my LCM is 8, what are we going to do? How do we get our numerators? It is very simple. 4 into 8 is 2 times. Now 2 times minus 3 will give us what? Minus 6 plus 8 into 8 is 1. 1 times 1 gives us 1. Minus 1 into 8 is 8. And 8 times 9 gives us what? 72. Are you there? Now without wasting time, what are we going to do? Let us solve the numerator. Now minus 6 plus 1 gives us what? Minus 5. And minus 5 minus 72 will give us minus 77 all over 8. So this becomes the answer if we simplify this. I believe you understand how we got minus 77. Minus 6 plus 1 gives us minus 5. And minus 5 minus 72 gives us what? Minus 77. So class, we have come to the end of today's episode, and I believe you've learned something new. So till we meet again in our next class, don't forget to share the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel if this is your first time joining us. I want to say thank you for watching, and I want to say keep on understanding. Bye for now.